Join me as I dive deep into the crazy world of Bbai stock and try to figure out what's really going on right now. Bbai has been making waves in the stock market lately, and its significance can't be ignored. This company has shown tremendous growth potential, catching the eye of many investors. But what's happening with Bbai stock right now? Bbai has faced some tough times recently. Market volatility has been a major challenge, causing its stock price to fluctuate wildly. Investor concerns about the company's future prospects have also been weighing on the stock. These concerns are fueled by uncertainty around the company's ability to innovate and stay ahead of the competition. Adding to the pressure, the overall market sentiment has been shifting, with many investors becoming increasingly risk-averse. The latest news on Bbai has been a mixed bag. On the one hand, the company has reported some positive financials, with revenue growth beating expectations. However, there are also concerns about increasing competition in the industry, which could erode Bai's market share. Expert opinions are divided, with some analysts predicting a turnaround in the stock price, while others are more cautious. The company's efforts to expand its product offerings and improve operational efficiency are being closely watched by investors. A key turning point for Bbai could be its recent announcement about a major new product launch. This move is seen as a strategic effort to drive growth and regain market share. The company's earnings report also provided some insight into its financial health, with some positive surprises that could boost investor confidence. However, there are still many challenges ahead, and the road to recovery won't be easy. The company's ability to execute on its plans and deliver results will be crucial in determining the stock's future trajectory. Analysts are closely watching Bai's progress, and any misstep could have a significant impact on the stock price. In summary, Bbai stock is at a critical juncture, with both challenges and opportunities ahead. The company's recent announcements and financial reports provide some insight into its current situation, but the future remains uncertain. If you've been following Bbai stock, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments, share your opinions and let's discuss. Also, be sure to check out my previous video on market trends for more context on the current market situation.